Okay, honey, so you got a haul, huh?
I got a haul.
Oh,
yeah.
and where'd you get it from?
From Shein.
From Shein. And then what was the haul like? Was it a package deal, or how did it become a haul?
No, I just found a bunch of inexpensive tops that I wanted to get because I have lots of jeans, but not really a whole lot of tops to go with it. So my haul, and I don't quite remember what I ordered, but my haul was all totaled with tax and shipping was free because it was over $50. It was $85.24. So let's.
Oh. And how many things did you get, huh?
I don't
we'll find
remember,
out.
to be honest. I have the total, but I don't remember what was in it. So
All right.
let's see. Okay, so now I did get some panties.
Oh, are you gonna try those on?
No.
Probably not.
But I have.
Not for anybody,
And
but.
so I accidentally ordered 2 of one top. So one of these will be going back. Just by accident. Super cute.
Oh, that's cool.
What do you think?
Yeah, I like that. Yeah.
Yeah. I love it.
Yeah, that's nice.
So that one is the first one. Do you want me to try it on or you want me to keep going?
Yeah, let's see what else you got in there.
All right. So obviously I have a second one of that.
Okay, so we won't open that.
This one I believe is a wraparound. See, oh, I really like this.
It's a wraparound.
Yeah,
Well, what's a wrap? Oh, I get it.
wraparound.
Yeah, it makes sense. Hence the name wraparound.
Right.
Yeah, I get it. Yeah.
I think this one's going to be super cute.
Curious.
So, they all run supposedly a little big, but for whatever reason, I haven't had a whole lot of luck with them on tops. So, hopefully they fit me. They look small, but I'm kind of small, so. All right. And this is the last one.
Well, that's pretty cool.
Yeah. I want to go try them on.
Do it.
Here I go.
Go quickly. Hurry. Let's see what you got. Is it really great? Is it superb?
Well, the first one is the wraparound, but I think I got the belt all messed up.
Oh.
So it's just kind of.
Oh, yeah. That looks like
short
picnic.
little shirt, huh?
Looks like you need a picnic.
Yeah. Oh yeah, I like that.
I'm actually kind of hungry. Got any sandwiches?
But it's a cute little
Yeah.
shirt. I would have to fix the belt and make sure that the belt is not
Materials,
so messed up.
yeah.
Cotton, just a regular cotton. It's not too thin. Perfect little summer shirt or.
Yeah.
There we go. Yeah.
That's
What do you
cool.
think?
I like it. I actually,
Not quite a
I know
crop
it.
top.
No, I like it.
Yeah.
I think it's cool.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Maybe it goes like this.
No, that was nice.
Either
Well,
way.
typically, a lot of those I don't really care for
Yeah.
because they seem like they're poofy and they fit funny.
See,
The
I like it better
wraparounds.
like this.
But that one I like because the material's not so bulky.
Right.
It seems like a lot of them have bulky material.
Yeah. See, now I kind of like it like this.
Yeah, and that one's really looks. Yeah, that's cool.
Yeah. You like it?
Yeah, I think I want to have a burger. Go someplace have a picnic with a burger.
Yeah.
Let's see what else.
This one is a thumbs up.
Yeah, that's definitely. Yeah, that's
Yeah.
super good.
Okay, I'm gonna try another one.
All right, see ya.
This one.
You think I'm gonna like this one?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. That looks familiar.
No.
Don't you have one like that?
Now I have 2.
I know, but I mean that looks like something that.
No, I don't have anything like this.
Yeah, that one's good.
Yeah, I like it. I like the little peplum tops.
Yeah.
Like this.
Yeah, no, I know you do. Yeah, you have a few of those. Yeah, that one's
Yeah.
cool. It's got nice. Yeah, it's got the old.
It's
Ooh, that's nice.
yeah.
That's
it's
a good
nice,
quality fabric.
Yeah, the fabric is really nice, but what do you think, honey?
I like it. Yeah, I think it's great.
Yeah, really 2 thumbs up.
Yeah, I think Hugo likes it. Yeah, no, that one's cool. Let me see the back real quick. So, Yeah, so it's kind of got that ruffled.
Yeah. It's cute, huh?
Yeah.
And the fabric is not too thick, so it's also another really great shirt that you can wear in spring.
Well, and the one
summer.
thing about it is this texture is really nice.
Yeah.
And it's actually not overly thin.
Right.
So I think that's a good
It's
quality.
not see-through.
Yeah. No, it fits good.
Yeah, I really like this
Yeah,
one.
cool. Is this one good?
This one makes me look super boobalicious.
I like the word.
Just makes me look like I have ginormous boobs. Don't you think?
Well,
I mean, I like
I
it.
think you'd have to have ginormous ones even to make that fit because it almost looks like loose on you.
Yeah.
So I mean,
and it's a small.
yeah,
so.
who would they think that that's supposed to fit? Dolly Parton?
Yeah, I don't
Because
know.
it's kind of, you know.
I mean,
You know what I mean? It's just like it's. Is it
it's
supposed to be
almost-
super baggy like that?
I don't know.
I kind of like it though, in a weird sort of a way.
Right.
It's.
Do you like it better with the sleeves down? Like here?
No, put them
or-
back up again. Yeah, it does accentuate.
Maybe with a different bra or something.
Yeah, maybe so.
Yeah.
But I mean, I like the fabric is like I like the
Yes,
the
I
pattern
think-
is nice.
And it's right here. It's lined right
Yeah.
here because it's a thin fabric. So it's lined so that it's not see-through.
Oh yeah, and the pattern's cool. Yeah, and it's no, it is. Yeah, and it is kind of, it's thin, but it's probably a good summery.
It's definitely a good summer shirt. I mean, I like it. It's colorful.
Yeah, I think it's fine.
Yeah.
I don't think it looks too crazy top heavy or anything. It's just more of a baggy fit or whatever.
Right.
It's more- I mean, I think it, but unfortunately though, I think for most, you know, well, for a lot of women, they're not going to have. I mean, I don't know how that would, you know.
So it's just
What happens if
it'll
you don't
just
have
be
any
kind
big
of
old things?
blousy.
Yeah,
Yeah.
but I think
I
it's
mean,
cool.
I think that if you had no boobs, it might look better on you.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Yeah.
Maybe I should try it on.
What do you think, honey?
Yeah, I think it's. I'd keep it.
Yeah.
I think it's. Yeah, that's definitely. I think all three of them are kind of fun.
Yeah.
Good summer.
I think that this one I could definitely like wear a vest or a jacket with it, and it would look really cute.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
The
Just
underwear
gonna
that
see
you got.
what the panties look like that I got. I'm totally a boy shorts type of girl. So these are the ones I got.
Oh, those are cool.
Yeah. They maybe are a little big. They might be a little big on me, but
All the same thing, just different color.
So these three these three were $8 for the three of them, and it's really good quality. It's not the kind of quality that breaks down, or you don't put your finger through it and all of that. It's actually a really nice quality. I mean, I'm really surprised.
And you've got
to be
those
honest.
before?
No, this is the first time. But a lot of times when you get panties that are cheap like this, the quality, you wash them once and the quality is really bad. So now these were like $12, I think, for 4 of these. And so let me see if I can figure out how they go. There we go.
Interesting.
Yeah. So they're... Does that make sense?
Yeah, I get it.
They're kind of a crisscross. They have a little crisscross going up.
Oh, yeah.
You see it now?
Yeah, those are cool.
Yeah. That's how that's the fit, just like
Right.
that. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them.
That's cool. I like the red.
Yeah, these are cool. I'm kind of excited about these.
Yeah.
But these are also really good fabric. They're not the kind of fabric that catches on stuff, and a lot
Right.
of times lace panties are,
Yeah.
catch really easily on things and fall apart very easily. And these are actually really nice quality. I'm kind of impressed, actually.
Not bad.
But
So
these do look like they'll fit.
and then you got all this stuff for $85.
$85.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's a score.
It is. So that's my haul.
All right. Good haul.
Bye.
See ya.